The Liebherr L580 is a powerful wheel loader equipped with a D936 diesel engine, delivering 288 horsepower. It boasts a hydrostatic travel drive, an automatic self-locking differential, enabling efficient operation and maneuverability, designed for heavy-duty applications. The L580 offers a bucket capacity ranging from 4.50 to 14.00 cubic meter and a tipping load of up to 19,150 kg. Its FOPS cab ensures operator safety, and features like air conditioning enhance comfort. With a transport length of 9.645 meter and a turning radius of 7.91 meter, the L580 is well suited for various construction and material handling tasks. The Technal Laser HC is a powerful self-propelled sprayer designed for high-volume applications in agriculture. It features a tank capacity ranging from 5,200 liters and can be equipped with booms up to 44 meters wide. Powered by a 175 horsepower Dodge engine and equipped with a hydrostatic transmission, the Laser HC offers a maximum speed of 40 km/h. Advanced features like GPS guidance, automatic boom section control, and precise application control systems ensure efficient. The pressurized and climate-controlled cab provides a comfortable and safe working environment for the operator. The TECNOMA Laser HC is a robust and reliable sprayer known for its high performance. The Hyundai H45 is a high-performance articulated dump truck powered by a Scania DC-13 diesel engine, delivering 500 horsepower. Designed for demanding off-road applications, it boasts a payload capacity of up to 41 metric tons and a body capacity of 26 cubic meters. Equipped with a 6x6 drivetrain, independent front suspension, and a powerful braking system, H45 offers excellent traction, maneuverability, and operator safety. The spacious and comfortable cab provides a productive working environment, while the robust construction ensures durability and reliability in challenging conditions. The Hyundai H45 is a powerful and versatile articulated dump truck. The Simex CBE40 is a powerful crusher bucket designed for excavators in the 24 to 40 ton class, offering a 1.00 cubic meter bucket capacity and a maximum cutting force of 152 Nm. Built with durable construction and equipped with 7 teeth, it efficiently crushes a wide range of materials, including concrete, asphalt, and rock, requiring an oil flow of 200 to 350 Lmin and an oil pressure of 350 bar. The CBE40 optimizes material processing by reducing the need for multiple passes, making it a versatile tool for various demolition and recycling applications. The SEMX CBE40 is a robust and efficient attachment that significantly enhances the productivity and versatility of excavators. The Wolf DW630 is a powerful dewatering trencher, equipped with a Cat C18 engine delivering 630 horsepower. Designed for deep trenching operations, it can dig trenches up to 19 feet deep, with a cutting width of 12 inches, enabling the installation of up to 8-inch sock pipe. At these depths, this high-performance machine is suitable for various applications, including construction sites, mining operations, and environmental remediation projects. The DW630 powerful engine and robust design allow it to efficiently excavate deep trenches in various soil conditions, making it an essential tool for dewatering projects in construction, mining, and environmental remediation sectors. The Tata BTW is a highly mobile off-road truck renowned for its exceptional off-road capabilities, featuring a unique central tube frame and independent suspension on all axles. It offers excellent articulation and ground clearance. Powered by diesel engines and available in various drivetrain configurations, 8Excite, the BTW can handle challenging terrains with ease. Designed for demanding applications, it boasts a high payload capacity and can be equipped with a wide range of bodies and equipment, making it a versatile vehicle for military, civilian, and industrial use. The Tata BTW, robust construction, The XCMG XCC2000 is a groundbreaking telescopic crawler crane, boasting an astonishing 2,000-ton lifting capacity, making it one of the most powerful cranes globally. Equipped with a main boom extending up to 81.4 meters and a lattice extension for increased reach, it can lift heavy loads to impressive heights exceeding 150 meters. XCC2000 is a testament to engineering excellence, ideal for large-scale infrastructure projects demanding exceptional lifting power and reach. The XCMG represents a significant advancement in heavy lifting technology setting. The New Highland TA6. Methane Power is a sustainable tractor powered by a 6-cylinder FPT NEF 6.7 NG engine. Designed for natural gas operation, it offers comparable power and torque to its diesel equivalent while significantly reducing emissions, including near CO2 emissions when using biomethane. Equipped with features like electro command and dynamic command transmissions, a powerful hydraulic system. 6. Methane Power delivers efficient performance and operator comfort for a wide range of agricultural applications. The New Holland 6 Methane Power represents a significant step towards sustainable agriculture. By offering a viable and environmentally friendly